If you want to know how to put a photo on your Gmail account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to change your Gmail profile picture quickly and easily. This is useful if you want your account to look more professional, more personal, or just easier for people to recognize when you send emails. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once the browser is open, go to myaccount.google.com. This will take you to your Google account settings, where you can manage your personal information, security settings, and profile details. If you're not already signed in, Google may ask you to log in to your Gmail account. Go ahead and enter your email and password, then complete any verification steps if needed. Once you're inside your account, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You should see an option called Personal Info. Click on that to continue. Now that you're in the Personal Info section, look for your profile picture. This is usually near the top of the page, and it represents your Google account photo across Gmail, YouTube, Google Meet, and other Google services. Click on the profile picture to open the editing options. At this point, Google will give you a couple of choices. You can either choose from illustrations or upload from your device. If you want something simple or fun, the illustration option gives you built-in designs. But if you already have a photo saved on your computer or phone, choose Upload from Device. If you upload a picture from your device, browse through your files and select the photo you want to use. Pick an image that clearly shows your face or represents your brand well, because this will be the picture people see when they receive your emails or interact with your Google account. After selecting the image, Google will usually let you crop it. Use the crop tool to adjust the photo so it fits properly in the profile circle. Make sure your face or main subject is centered and easy to see. Once it looks good, click Next to move forward. Now review the preview one more time. If everything looks right, click Save as Profile Picture. Your Gmail account photo will update, and the new image should appear across your Google services shortly after. In some cases, it may take a little time for the change to fully show up everywhere, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly. And that's it. You've now learned how to put a photo on your Gmail account. It only takes a few steps, but it can make a big difference in how your account looks and feels. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.